Checking on my cat. There it is there. How are you today, Meow? Yeah, okay, are you? Say hello to everyone. Hello. Lovely disposition. Female, they tend to be the best. I don't know how old she is now. She was my brother's cat. Yeah. Loves being inside, don't she? I'll leave. Oh yeah, I know. I'll give you something to eat later. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye to everyone. Look at that. I had a male cat. I think it's moved on. It hasn't come back home for about 7 days. And you're probably wondering where he is. She understands a lot of what you're saying. So, okay, I'll let you sleep now. Oh, you want to get up? Oh, big stretch. Hey? She keeps licking my fingers. Okay. Bye-bye. I got work to do. More packing. Bye. Bye, Meow Meow. Bye. Oh, yeah. You can follow me after if you want. It's up to you. Let's see whether she follows. Come on. Come on. Flipping tail. She's not sure. I've got nothing for you at the moment. I've got to go and buy something.